Welcome to Dream Homes Tour, luxury designs, where elegance meets imagination. In this journey, we step into spaces that redefine what it means to live beautifully. Every wall, every texture, every light beam tells a story of craftsmanship, innovation, and the pursuit of perfection. These homes aren't just places to live, they are works of art, designed to awaken your senses and inspire your dreams.
Luxury's not just what we see, but how we live, how we believe. Crystal lights above, reflections deep and
Every corner has been designed to inspire awe. The play of natural light through expansive glass walls, the harmony of textures, and the balance between open spaces and intimate corners create an atmosphere that feels both grand and welcoming. It's a space where design meets lifestyle, where art meets comfort.
where beauty whispers, you achieve. In these walls of dreams, build our peace. With chandeliers and velvet seats, it's more than gold.
Once inside, the grandeur continues, from the perfectly landscaped driveway to the mansion's architectural details. Every element has been designed to embody both tradition and modern luxury. This is more than a house tour. It's a journey through refined living.
It's more. In walls of dreams, we build our peace. With chandeliers and velvet seats, it's more than gold, it's where we grow. In every room, our hearts will know that luxury's not just what we see, but how we live.
Here, luxury is not about excess. It's about details, the refined finishes, the carefully chosen materials, and the seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living. Invite you to imagine what life could be like within these walls. This home speaks the universal language of dreams, elegance, serenity, and pure inspiration.
And so much more.
If you enjoyed this glimpse of luxury design and dream homes, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Dream Homes Tour Luxury Design. Share your thoughts below and tell us, would you love to walk through these iconic gates every day?